Meaning of dentine.
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 Dentine. Dentine, also known as dentin, is a calcified tissue that makes up the majority of a tooth. It lies beneath the enamel and extends towards the root of the tooth, surrounding the pulp cavity. Dentine is harder than bone but relatively softer than enamel, which helps to absorb shock from biting and chewing. It has microscopic tubules that allow it to transmit sensations to the tooth's nerve endings. The thickness and density of dentine can vary, affecting the overall strength and sensitivity of the tooth. Dental treatments such as fillings and root canal therapy involve the manipulation and removal of dentine.